We're in the kitchen at 3880 Irvington, making my mom's delicious broccoli salad. It's only 8 ingredients. Dressing consists of mayo, red wine vinegar, and sugar. And the salad is broccoli, bacon, red onion, golden raisins, and sunflower seeds. We're starting with the dressing, and you know, I homemade that mayo. You don't have to, but homemade is better than Hellmann's. Just mix it till it's creamy. Set it aside, and we're gonna throw all the salad ingredients right in this bowl. Look at this beautiful salad. It's almost as beautiful as the kitchen we made it in. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge for a couple hours, and we'll be back to enjoy it. It's been 2 hours. Let's eat. You gotta get all that good stuff. My mom would be so proud. For details on this recipe, go check out the comments. For details on this home, visit 3880irvington.com.